Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Samir and I'm going to review a premium microphone from Logitech. So this is Yeti Nano. So basically this is a video on usage review and my experience on using this microphone. So this microphone is a premium dual pattern USB microphone with blue voice and it is used for gaming, streaming and podcasting purpose. So without wasting any further time, I'm going to unbox this. So once you open the box, you get this premium looking, very nicely designed microphone. And this is quite heavy because it is made up of metal. The matte black finish gives a very premium look. And as you can see, the grill of this microphone is made up of metal. Along with this microphone, you get this USB data cable, which is almost 2 meters in length, and one adapter which is used to mount this microphone on a stand. So this is all you get inside the box. The whole body of this microphone is made up of metal. As you can see, this is a metal grill. Uh, the stand is also made up of metal, so that's the reason it is adding up a weight. This is a knob which is used to control the volume of your headphones. Below this, you can see there are two ports given. One is for the USB data cable, and the other one is for the headphones. Now, this one is for the stand mount. Now let's take a look at the backside of this microphone. You'll find one switch which is used for switching between the different modes. This is a car diode mode and the other mode is omnidirectional mode, and you can change the pattern by clicking on this switch. For best performance, you need to speak directly in the front of the microphone in the car diode mode, and in the omnidirectional mode, the microphone will listen to all the surroundings. Now let me show you the adapter which is given for the stand mount of this microphone. You just have to insert this in this hole and just turn this up and it is ready for the stand mount. Now let's plug in the USB cable. I'm a bit surprised actually, they have given many USB cable. Actually I was expecting a C-type USB cable, but anyways this works. It is compatible with 2.0, 3.0 USB connections. So this is how the cable looks. It is USB to USB cable and this goes directly inside this USB plug. You need to listen to your voice whenever you record audio for your YouTube videos. In order for that, you need to have a good quality headphones. In my case, I have this Sennheiser PX80 headphones, and these headphones are damn good quality headphones. I have been using these headphones for more than 8 years now. So let's connect this. So the headphone pin goes directly in this jack, and this is ready for the real-time monitoring of your audio. Now let's take a look at the bottom side of this microphone. This is a completely metal built stand, as I said before, and it has a proper rubber grip below, and this has a groove for the wire management. The USB cable directly goes from here, and you can place this particular cable in this slot. And when you place this microphone on the desk, it looks pretty neat and clean. So the provided stand is basically for the desktop placement of this microphone. But in case if you would like to extend it using a boom or a different stand, you need to purchase it separately. So let me show you the microphone stand. I had purchased this from Amazon for nearly 500 to 600 rupees. And this is how it looks. So basically you can just attach this on your desktop and you can extend it as a boom. This particular attachment goes directly below the microphone. So this is the attachment which was given with this package, and you just need to put the stand directly inside the slot given below. So after you attach this microphone, it looks like this. Now along with this microphone stand, you get this clamp. Now you can use this clamp and you can attach it to your desktop, and you just have to mount it over here and it becomes ready. Now let's take a look at the technical specifications of this microphone. The power required and the consumption is 5 volt 150 milliamperes. Sample rate is 48 kilohertz. Bit rate is 24 bit. And it has two capsules. That means it has two internal condenser microphones. It is 0.55 inch, that is 14 condenser capsules. And it has polar patterns, that is cardioid and omnidirectional. The frequency response is between 20 Hz and 20 kilohertz. The sensitivity is 4.5 millivolt per Pascal. The maximum sound pressure level is 120 dB and total harmonic distortion is 0.5%, 1 kHz. The impedance of the headphone amplifier is below 16 ohms and the power output is 58 milliwatt. The frequency response is 15 Hz to 22 kHz and the signal to noise ratio is 100 dB. So this is my workplace and I have mounted this microphone on the boom stand. As you can see, it is fixed and clamped on the desk. And this is how it looks. You get a green light when it is recording. And when you press this, it turns into red. That means it is on mute, so it won't record. It is pretty handy. And let's take a look at the back side. So you get these two modes. One is car diode mode, which allows you to record from the front of the microphone. And this is the omnidirectional. That means it records 360 degrees. Now let me show you how to download the software required for Yeti Nano. You need to type in Logitech G Hub on the Chrome and click on the first site that goes to Logitech official site. And here you on the front page, you will see this download for Windows. Just click on it and the download should be ready. So once it is downloaded, you just have to install it. So once the software is installed, you just have to go to Start, click on Logitech G Hub, and from here, you just have to open the software. It will take some few seconds to detect the Yeti Nano microphone connected to your computer. So once it is detected, click on this picture and it should access the internal configuration. Now from this, you can change the pull-out pattern. You can change it to omnidirectional. You can change it to car diode, depending upon your choice. And you can also do the mic testing from here. You can set the input gain. In this section, you can enable the blue voice options. Now you get a lot of options over here. There are already some presets given. You can customize the equalizer. You can set the master output level. You can do the signal cleaner from here. It has noise reductions, gate, compressor, some lot of advanced options. In this blue voice section, you get some presets which you can use, and you can also customize those presets. You can create your own preset. So this is where you can create your own configuration. Just have to click on preset and you can give it some name. You can adjust all the settings and you can save them for your future projects. Now this is the effects tab. Now in this tab, you'll get a lot of real-time effects. Whenever you choose any of these effects, you will actually hear this in real time. So this gives you a lot of options. You can try them. And so that was the microphone section. This is the sampler section. If you have some technical knowledge on audio, you can use it. I do not use it much. And this is the 3.5 mm output of the headphone. You can enable advanced equalizers. You can set your own equalizer. And this is the presets which is already given. You can try them. So basically you get a lot of flexibility using this software. It is pretty much good software. But how do you do the actual recording? I'll be making some different video on it. And there are some different softwares which are required for doing a video voiceover. So this is basic stuff with Yeti Nano and the Logitech G Hub. So guys, this is all about Logitech Yeti Nano microphone and Logitech G Hub software. Thank you very much for giving your time and watching this video. And I would request you to please subscribe this channel because this gives me a lot of motivation to make further videos. And please keep watching. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.